It is absolutely gorgeous today. It is 75 degrees. Today is the first day of spring, and it's gorgeous. But guys, what do you do if you're living in your vehicle, you're camping in your vehicle, maybe you're just out for a weekend, and it starts to rain, thunder, it's pouring, and you're stuck in your vehicle all day. I'm not talking about for half an hour. I'm talking all day. What do you do? I am going to show you what I do when I am stuck in the car during an all-day rainstorm. Hey everyone, welcome back to Out on a Limb with Kim. Today's video is about what I do when I'm stuck in my vehicle in the rain for long periods of time. So here's the bag that I keep in my car. And it's loaded with all kinds of stuff for me to do on days when it's raining. I have a deck of cards because I do like to play solitaire. Yes, you can play on your phone and your tablet, but there's something about playing old school with cards. I have a fill-in book. I have Sudoku Plus. This is my Kindle. I read certain books on here. Now, I read just books on here. I do not hook this up online. This is just for books. And I will give you an idea of what I read on here. Okay, so here's some of the books, just to get an idea of the smutty books that I read. See? Pleasures of the Night. I read a lot of Megan Hart. Bachelor Number 4. The Siren. This is my Variety Favorites book. It's got all kinds of different games in it. So these three always come in handy. Here is my adult coloring book. And the one I'm working on right now is this one. I also have my tablet, which I use to watch TV. So I have my adult coloring book, I have my tablet, variety books, Sudoku, fill-ins, cards. I have all my colored pencils. I have a sharpener in this bag, and then I have my Kindle. If you made it through the entire 4 minutes of this video, I would like to thank you. Great job. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Like the video if you liked it. It's only a 4-minute video. How can you not like it? 4 minutes. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.